Welcome to Dang Easy Kitchen. In this episode, I'm going to be making a Vietnamese dipping sauce slash salad dressing slash vinaigrette. This is a very common sauce in Vietnam. It is used in all types of dishes. It's used in salads. It's used for dipping for spring rolls and summer rolls. It's used for Vietnamese pancakes. And every single family will have a tub of this in their house. The ingredients are really simple. It's basically a third each of lemon juice, fish sauce, and vinegar. This is vegetarian fish sauce. You can use the real thing if you like. Plenty of garlic, chili, and a little bit of sugar just to take the edge off. Let's get cracking. That was it. Pretty easy, really great dipping sauce, really garlicky if you really love garlic. You can put as much chili and garlic as you feel like. Some Vietnamese really like to put extra sugar in for extra sweetness. Totally up to you. Delicious. You can use it on anything. You can try putting it on a Thai salad, use it as dipping sauce for dumplings. Anything you feel like, it is absolutely delicious. Hope you try it at home. Thanks.